Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ujala, your biology teacher. Hope you all will be fine. First of all, I would like to share a very good thing to all of you, and that is the importance of punctuality. Punctuality is not about being on time. It's basically about respecting your own commitments. Secondly, punctuality is the key to get success in life. A punctual and disciplined student always gets respect and social acceptance in the school and society. They are admired by the parents and teachers. Punctuality during school life will also help you to manage your working and personal life. Students, I want this positive thing from all of you. Let's we start our new chapter, chapter number 13, and the name of chapter number 13 is Sport and Movement, and the today's topic is human skeleton, cartilage and its types. And the objectives of this topic is to learn about the skeletal system and its type, role of skeletal system in our body, and cartilage and its types. As we know, the organism with greater sizes need sport to keep their body mass as a one unit. This is particularly true for the organisms that live on land. As we know that movement and locomotion are the characteristics of animals, here one question is arise, and the question is how locomotion different from the movement. Locomotion is different from the movement. What do you know about movement? Yes? Okay. Movement is a general term meaning act of changing place or position by entire body and by its parts. Movement is the displacement of a body or a part of body from its original position, like we move our arm, our legs through the process of movement. But in case of locomotion, locomotion is the displacement of body from one place to another place. Yes, locomotion means movement or ability to move from one place to another place. जैसे हम move करते हैं one place to another, it means we show the process of locomotion. This is the example of locomotion, and movement is the displacement of a body or parts of the body. Like अगर मैं अपने बाजू को move कर रही हूँ, leg को, then it means मैं movement show कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, through the body parts. But locomotion means movement or ability to move from one place to another place. Like ये पहले इस place पे थी, then इस place पे आ गए. This is the locomotion. Okay, students. Today we will start the topic human skeletal system. Skeleton. Okay, what is this? Skeleton and human. This is the human skeleton. Skeletal system or skeleton is defined as the framework, hard, articulated means jointed structure, articulated structure that provide physical support, attachment for skeletal muscles and protection for the bodies of animals. It means skeletal system is the hard, articulated, it means jointed, जोड़ से बना हुआ, ठीक है. Articulated structure provide physical support like this one, and attachment for the skeletal muscles and protection for the bodies of animals. Here we will discuss the types of skeleton. Firstly, we will discuss the endoskeleton. Endo mean inside, skeleton mean skeleton. The human skeleton is on the inside of the body and is called endoskeleton. Like this one, जो हमारे अंदर ढांचा है skeleton, this is called the endoskeleton. These are the different endoskeleton structures that are present in different organisms. Next, the type of skeleton is exoskeleton. The skeletal system of some invertebrates. Invertebrates mean the organism that do not have the proper backbone. They are the invertebrates. So, skeletal system of some invertebrates like arthropods. Arthropods, the organism that had jointed legs. Arthropod is on the outside of the body and is called the exoskeleton. ये देखें like this one. इसका skeleton जो है वो outside of the body present है. So that is called the exoskeleton. Exoskeleton होता क्या है? The hard outer covering like this one. Hard outer covering outside of the body used for the protection. They give the protection. exoskeleton बाहर जब outside present होता है किसी भी organism की body में, like some invertebrates, so their skeleton give the protection, and exoskeleton made of chitin. Next we will discuss the role of skeletal system. Skeletal system role first. Yes, what is the first role of skeletal system? Yes students, first role of skeletal system, the big function of skeletal system are protection, support and movement. Next one, in our body, skeleton work very closely with muscular system to help us move. skeletal system muscular system के साथ closely work करते हुए हमें movement में help करता है. Skeleton provide protection to many internal organs. For example, skull. Number 1, skull protect brain. Skull is the skull like खोपड़ी जो होती है, ठीक है. स्कल प्रोटेक्ट करता है ब्रेन को बिकॉज ब्रेन इज द डेलिकेट ऑर्गन. सो स्कल प्रोटेक्ट ओवर ब्रेन. नंबर 2, वर्टिब्रल कॉलम प्रोटेक्ट स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. वर्टिब्रल कॉलम स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं, हमने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में पढ़ा था. एंड रिब्स प्रोटेक्ट ओवर इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. रिब्स जो हैं वो प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को, लाइक लंग्स वगैरह को और किडनीज को. एंड वर्टिब्रल कॉलम आल्सो प्रोवाइड द मेन सपोर्ट टू अवर बॉडी. वर्टिब्रल कॉलम जो है वो मेन सपोर्ट का वर्क करती हैं हमारी बॉडी मैस के लिए. लाइक दीज आर द डिफरेंट parts of the skeleton and their role. जैसे skull protect the brain, and bones stores and release fats, and red blood cells produced from the bones, bone marrow, and bones also stores and release minerals, facilitate movement. Bones also facilitate the movement, and skeletal also supports our body. These are the different roles of skeleton in our body. Clear students? Any confusion? Okay. In the living body, the skeleton is very much alive. Bones and cartilage are made of living cells and also have nerves and blood vessels in them. They grow and have the ability to repair themselves. Now we will discuss the bones and cartilage. Over the human skeleton is made of bony framework, but in certain parts this framework is supplemented by cartilage. These are the structure of bones, and in the bones, between the bones cartilage are present. Next we will discuss the cartilage. What is cartilage? कार्टिलेज इज अ डेंस क्लियर ब्लू वाइट फर्म कनेक्टिव टिश्यू बट लेस स्ट्रॉन्ग देन बोन। कार्टिलेज होता क्या है? कार्टिलेज टफ इलास्टिक टिश्यूज मोस्ट कवर्ड टू द कन्वर्टेड टू बोन इन एडल्ट। कार्टिलेज जो है वो एक टफ इलास्टिक टिश्यू से बना हुआ एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है और मोस्टली एडल्ट्स के अंदर कार्टिलेज कन्वर्टेड हो जाते हैं इनटू द बोन। कार्टिलेज इज़ अ डेंस क्लियर ब्लू वाइट फर्म कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, मतलब डेंस एक गाढ़ा सा ये क्लियर ब्लू वाइट फर्म होता है मीन हार्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू से बना हुआ एंड लेस स्ट्रॉन्ग देन द बोन। कार्टिलेज जो है वो लेस स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है एज कंपेयर टू बोन। क्लियर? द सेल्स ऑफ कार्टिलेज आर कॉल्ड कॉन्ड्रोसाइट। अब कार्टिलेज के जो सेल्स हैं वो क्या कहलाएंगे? कॉन्ड्रोसाइट्स। नेक्स्ट लैक्यूना। Each chondrocyte lies in a fluid space called lacuna present in the matrix of cartilage. Matrix of cartilage में पाया जाता है। matrix क्या होता है? Body substance in which tissue cells are embedded. matrix जो है वो एक substance होता है जिसके अंदर टिश्यू सेल्स जो हैं वो एम्बेडेड होते हैं। सो ईच कॉन्ड्रोसाइट लाइज इन अ फ्लूइड स्पेस कॉल्ड लैक्यूना प्रेजेंट इन द मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कार्टिलेज। Next, we will discuss the collagen fiber. The matrix of cartilage also contain collagen fibers. Blood vessels do not enter the cartilage. Matrix of cartilage also contain the collagen fibers. Collagen fibers जो हैं वो क्या हैं? Like proteins in bones, they are called the collagen fibers. Blood vessels do not enter the cartilage. Next we will discuss the types of cartilage. Cartilage के different types. Here we will discuss the three types of cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. Number 1 hyaline cartilage. Number 2 elastic cartilage. And number 3 fibrous cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is strong yet flexible. Strong होती है but flexible है. Locomotion, it is found in the covering of the end of the long bones in the nose, larynx, trachea and bronchial tubes. Nose, larynx, trachea and bronchial tubes, these are the air passageway parts. So hyaline cartilage found in the nose, larynx, trachea and bronchial tubes. Here is a closer view of hyaline cartilage. Chondrocytes, lacuna are found in this structure. Number 2, we will discuss the elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage is similar in structure to hyaline cartilage. सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर होता है हाइलिन कार्टिलेज की तरह. इट इज़ आल्सो क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग बट हैज़ इलास्टिसिटी. इसके अंदर इलास्टिसिटी होती है ड्यू टू अ नेटवर्क ऑफ इलास्टिक फाइबर्स इन एडिशन टू कोलेजन फाइबर. इलास्टिक फाइबर्स क्योंकि इनमें मौजूद होते हैं, नेटवर्क ऑफ इलास्टिक फाइबर्स, सो डेट्स वाई द प्रेजेंस ऑफ इलास्टिक फाइबर इलास्टिक कार्टिलेज इज़ द इलास्टिक. Here we will discuss the location of elastic cartilage. It is found in epiglottis and pinna. Epiglottis बेटा, epiglottis क्या होती है? Cartilage, the flap of cartilage that cover the windpipe. हमने पढ़ा भी था previous chapter में. And pinna क्या होता है? External ear made up of pinna. So elastic cartilage found in epiglottis and pinna. Here is the structure of elastic cartilage. इसमें भी chondrocyte and elastic fibers are present in the structure of elastic cartilage. Next we will discuss the third type of cartilage, and the name of third type is fibrous cartilage. Fibrous cartilage is very tough and less flexible. ये less flexible होते हैं due to the large number of thick collagen fibers present in knitted form. जो फाइब्रस कार्टिलेज है इट इज़ वेरी टफ एंड लेस फ्लेक्सिबल. क्यों लेस फ्लेक्सिबल होती है? ड्यू टू द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ थिक कोलेजन फाइबर. कोलेजन फाइबर का लार्ज नंबर से पाए जाते हैं एंड दीज आर प्रेजेंट इन द निटेड फॉर्म. निटेड मीन मेड बाय थ्रेड लाइक, बुना हुआ मीन ऐसे थ्रेड लाइक फॉर्म में मौजूद होंगे सारे कोलेजन फाइबर्स. नेक्स्ट, location of the fibrous cartilage, it is found in vertebral disc. ये invertebral disc में पाए जाते हैं. Here is a closer view of fibrous cartilage. These are the chondrocyte fibrous matrix. So here is the diagram of fibrous cartilage. Okay students, what types of cartilage these are? For example, number 1, cartilage of epiglottis. Cartilage of epiglottis is the type of elastic cartilage. Clear? It means elastic cartilage found in epiglottis. हमने अभी पढ़ा भी है. नेक्स्ट है cartilage of larynx. ये कौन सी टाइप की है? हायालिन कार्टिलेज की. ठीक है, हायालिन कार्टिलेज जो है उसकी लोकेशन में हमने पढ़ा है कि दैट आर फाउंड इन द larynx. ओके. The third is cartilage of trachea. Cartilage of trachea also found in the location of hyaline cartilage also found in trachea. Okay students, any confusion? Next we will discuss the connective tissue. The cartilage and bones are the types of connective tissue in animals. Cartilage and the bones are the types of connective tissue in animals. Most connective tissue contain collagen fibers in a matrix. अभी हमने पढ़ा भी है. Tendon and ligaments are other connective tissue that contain tightly packed collagen fiber. Tendon and ligaments जो हैं वो other connective tissues हैं that contain tightly packed collagen fibers. वो भी collagen fibers से tightly packed होते हैं. Any question students? Okay students, I hope you had learned a lot about the role of skeleton and types of skeleton and cartilage and its types and understood all the terms as we discussed in this topic. Today your home task is to learn human skeleton and types of skeleton system and cartilage and its types. Okay students, take care all of you and do proper learning. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.